Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about Google Tag Manager data layer. Google Tag Manager data layer is a piece of code that is installed on your website that acts as a translator. Imagine that your website is a person and Google Tag Manager is another person. Both do not speak the same language. The data layer in this scenario is a translator that can translate what is the website is saying to Google Tag Manager so Google Tag Manager can understand everything on your website. Let's break this down with an example. I want you to go to this demo website that is created by Google as well, and click on this eye icon over here. As you can see here, there is something called Google Analytics 4, so this is what we need to look at. And then we have several events. These are the data layer events. So if you scroll a little bit to the bottom, you can see that there is an event called view item, and within this item array, there is an item ID, item name, and price. As you would notice, the item name and price would match the product itself. For example, this is a 33 value. As you can see here, the product price is 33 as well. There is another way that you can do using the data layer checker Chrome extension that we have installed earlier. You can click on it within this page and then click on this event. As you can see, this is a data layer event that have the event name, which is view item, and the ID, the name, the price, the brand, and everything else. This is usually implemented by your development team or by an app or a plugin that is installed on your website. That's why we have installed Elvar. So now let's see how this comes in picture. I want you to go back or open your website and then open the data layer checker. As you can see here, Elvar would push several data layer events. All of them will start with the same naming convention, which is DL underscore, then a specific name. We're now interested in seeing this DL view item. Within this one, you can see that Elvar already pushed a data layer event that shows us information about this product. So for example, it have the product name, it have the product price, have the category, the variant ID, the variant name, and the image URL. This is how GTM is able to read values from your website, and now we can use these values and send it to marketing destination or analytics destination. This is also coming up in the next videos. See you soon.